And welcome to About 6 Acres. I'm Juana.
And I'm Nick.
And we're so excited today because we hit 1,000 subscribers.
Woo-woo.
So thank you so much to all of you for subscribing. It really means the world to us.
We'll hope to get some cool videos out as we're prepping for the spring, because that's going to be our garden preparation time. So we already got some seed started. Get some maybe animal areas prepped up, cleaned up.
So if you don't already subscribe to us, please be sure to hit like to this video and subscribe, because we have a lot of little things that we need to get done. Plus, it's my birthday.
It's a birthday. She's 21 again.
Yes, because 50 is the new 30, so I must be about 27. But 21 works too.
21 works, yeah. Not quite 50. No.
No, I'm not 50. Figured we'd get some of the things scratched off the list and figured you might want to join us for it. So obviously the first thing we have to do is check for eggs. So let's go see what the hens have done.
Check for some eggs, see if they dropped off their rent payments.
Yes, it's not even the first of the month, but they've been pretty good about paying on time. Most of them.
We have a daily rental agreement.
Why, hello.
Hello. Were you trying to steal eggs?
No, she's a good one.
Inspecting. You're gonna go lay in there. Yeah.
So
okay. There's two in there.
Here.
She's telling us where they are.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you. She's so sweet.
You gonna warm them up?
So we got two here, and they're nice and warm. So they were just laid. And I do have a little bit of a tidying up to do. We have to change out our nesting pads, but for now I'm just checking the eggs because I don't want them
You're gonna go sit
to freeze or them to get harmed. And I think that's all we have. So 4 very nice eggs for today.
Hi, boys.
Next week we're supposed to get temperatures of 19 lows.
Boo.
Exactly.
Hi, boys. You
They
relaxing?
seem to be good on water.
Clark.
How's life, Clark?
Clark got into a little headbutting action with his son. Forgot his son had horns.
Yeah.
So he's a little raw on top. He's got some medicine. And you're just so innocently sweet because you want to play and you're not trying to be mean, but you got big old honky horns.
You just don't know your own strength. I think that what's going to happen is we are not going to be able to really put them together long term. And I'm going to stop watching them. Clark, you're a weirdo.
Clark is a sniffer of butts.
Yeah. Bye, sweetie pie.
Hi, Cashman. I know, you like
So the
keeping
geese
an eye
have
on the
already
ladies.
told us that they were bad. That's why we closed them in there, because they were chasing us around. It's mating time, and so that's what they want to do, is they want to kill Nick and they want to jump on me.
They want to micromanage. They want to micromanage us. Yes, I'm telling them your
too.
secrets. No, you don't have to yell at me.
So once we're done out here, we'll probably let them out again. It's just, again,
Nope.
I need to keep my
There
calves
you go.
intact.
Be nice.
Hello, my sweetie. How are you?
Hello, Whitey.
Hi, Poppy.
Hello, Poppy.
Hi, Lucy.
Hi, Lucy.
I know, Lucy, you like the camera.
It's not food time.
Yeah. So we'll let the girls out a little bit later. Right now, they're all really relaxing and chewing the cud. So we're just going to let them relax for a little bit longer. And then we'll let them out so they can forage again.
It's time to check on our seedlings. Check on if anything else has germinated. Check to see if there's any water that's needed. I know I put some water in this morning. We'll check temperatures. It's about 79 degrees. Yay, this whole little flat of tomatoes germinated. So did this one. That's some calendula.
So we had 2 types of calendula in this flat, and right now only half of them have. These are seeds that I actually got from a friend, whereas these were from an actual seed company. The lavender does take a while, so I don't expect that to come up, if at all, because again, it's an experiment, so I don't know how it's going to work. But the little tiny chamomile has come up, which is awesome. And then tomatillo, those take a little while, so I didn't expect them to be up yet. And the San Marzanos are taking a little bit longer than the others. When do you think we're going to be ready to pot these up?
A while yet, because I want to see some roots coming out the bottom. So I did put some more water in the bottom of the trays this morning. So it's staying between, I guess, 80 degrees average. So not too shabby.
Yeah, and it's nice and humid in there, which is why we didn't use the humidity dome. We just felt that it didn't need it, given the tent. In the coming days, we're going to be starting some more flowers. So we'll be doing some marigolds and some others. So we'll share a little bit of that. The other thing that we're going to be doing is we've gotten some questions on some of our other videos. And so we're going to be putting together a video on seed saving. And obviously we're not seed saving right now because we're not harvesting, but we do want to share some of the skills because it's fun to have. And if you're on the southern hemisphere watching, you might be seed saving now.
Yeah, because if you're growing your own food, you want to be able to save the seeds of things that you're growing so you don't have to buy more. And it's always a fun way to see, you know, what's working in your garden. And, you know, it's a cool little hobby to save seeds. And there's little tips and tricks we can give along the way. So looking forward to it.
Stay tuned for that one. We'll let them back out, and of course, they own the place. So they're screaming at Nick, but
I'm gonna
we
get
need
water.
to refill some of the waters, and
Be nice.
I can't control them, no matter what I do.
Be nice, guys. They're very, very overprotective of the water.
Yeah, they think they pay for the water.
Hi, buds. One is for you, okay? That one, yeah, that one's for you guys. Sounds good?
They're so pretty considering that they're such crazy loonies.
You gonna help? Thank you. Thank you, buddy.
Are they attacking you,
You're
Nick?
always up in my business. Why are you in my business? That's not nice. Hey. Watch the nipping. Watch the nipping.
Uh-oh, I'm gonna get nipped.
Watch
Are
it.
you hissing at me? I don't think they do it to be mean. I think it's just in their nature that it's their mating time and they just want you to know that they're there.
I know you're there, dude.
And
You're a big fluff ball. You don't have to bite me in my sensitive areas.
thankfully they take out all of their
This,
attitude and emotions and feelings on Nick.
they give me little
And my
Little
calves are pretty distorted
goose
too.
kisses that leave little marks.
Yeah. I'm fascinated at how much they prefer to drink out of a water bucket instead of the other waterers that we have. We tried a nipple water for a little bit with them, but they seem to all prefer the regular bell waterer. And so, you know, since it doesn't really matter to us, we've let them use that one, but they really much more prefer the buckets.
Open water.
And in the summer, it made sense because when you're hot, you want to dip your whole beak in there and cool off. But in the winter, I'm not so sure, but they get a kick out of running into the geese pen and dipping their beaks in the water. Since they free range most of the day, it's not really an issue for us to set out the water buckets. Hello, Meredith.
Hello.
Hi, Meredith.
What's up,
I know
Ryan?
you know I'm talking about you. You're a pretty girl. You're so beautiful.
Got one lone cilantro
Yes.
that I thought died. I thought froze. But it's back to life. Ryan, don't let anyone eat it.
You know who ate it, right?
Too. The goats.
Yeah.
The goats knocking it over.
We had a lot of calendula planted on here, and it started to do really well. And then one day, Ryan and I want to say it was Nellie completely annihilated the entire thing. So then I planted cilantro thinking, no, I planted sunflowers
Yeah,
and covered them, which is the dumbest thing I could do because, of course.
They're like, seeds, let's go.
And we had given them so much of the sunflower seeds that, of course, they were excited to have it. So they knocked over the cover and ate it all. So then I planted cilantro thinking, who wants to eat cilantro other than me?
The goats,
But
Lucy said she will.
the goats decided to eat all of them except one that survived. And last week it's just got a little frozen. We thought it was dead, and then it just perked up and looks better than ever.
Yeah,
So we might have cilantro.
A couple of little maintenance items to take care of this afternoon. When we moved to this property, actually when we moved out to the country, we had no clue how to deal with like a septic system. So we had to learn where everything was, where our clean out was, where the pits were, where the tube to put the disinfectant material in, where that was. So we had to do a little digging and cutting because, again, we're on an incline. We're on the decline of the incline. So all the sand and stuff that comes out buried some things. And this time I had mowed over our clean out area and actually knocked the top off of the clean out cap. So we're just gonna replace the cap because I don't want stuff getting in there, coming into the house, excess water, and so on. So really simple maintenance stuff. And then we gotta put some tablets into the septic systems for disinfectant before it gets into the spray field. So yeah, fun stuff.
Running some errands. We're on our way to Tractor Supply to pick up some hay for our goats because they're always in need of hay. I had somebody ask me if I could show a little bit of Tractor Supply because they've never been in one, and I thought that was the cutest comment because, you know,
I don't think they sell tractors.
I don't think so either.
No
Yeah.
tractors at
No.
Tractor Supply. Just supplies for your tractor.
Yes. So I just thought that was cute because we do have some followers that are not living in a homestead or in the country. And so I'm gonna try to show it without being like so weird and having a camera, my phone out there.
You're gonna be all up in people's business. What you buying? Why you buying that? What kind of animals you got?
I don't know that I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna try to show a little bit. So this is what Tractor Supply looks like.
Tractor Supply.
It's kind of like a PetSmart and a hardware store all put into one. All kinds of fun things.
Some cool stuff. Down the hill. We're gonna get the alfalfa orchard. I might have to go in the back to get regular alfalfa.
All right, well, let's go.
And the thing was, we've always had good success with the Stanley hay because it's always green. So that means there's still good nutrients in it. So the regular alfalfa, we have to sneak into the back.
We're not really sneaking. They tell us all the time, just go back there and grab it. I mean, there's pink unicorns at Tractor Supply. Mm-hmm. And then this whole area that looks like a hardware store.
In the garden. Yeah. See if they have alfalfa back here.
So now Nick gets to load the car by himself because he made a joke that was not funny.
It's my work, yeah. So we're getting ready to wind down the evening. Just got done with dinner, tucking the animals in, saying goodnight, giving them the hay, telling the geese to be quiet.
I wound up having brownies for my birthday cake. So let me know what you like best for your birthday cake.
I like birthday cake. But yeah, I made Juana some dinner. We had some, can I pronounce it? Pappardelle pasta.
I don't know what it was, but it was good.
Pasta.
And I don't even like pasta.
With some Alfredo sauce and some Parmesan crusted panko chicken.
So good. You did good.
Nice and light, yeah.
Yeah, it was perfect. It was what I wanted today and that worked perfect.
Yeah, this was light. So yeah, I think that type of pasta we'll use again. It was like I guess it was a more homemade artisan.
Like a fresh pasta.
Fresh pasta, so better than the box pasta. So.
Way better, so good. I did get to bake a bread today and I did get to mix some dough. So you know what's coming next, right? We gotta wind down the day with?
We gotta feed Doremi.
Yep. So with my starter fed, I'm ready to bake tomorrow.
Thank you for stopping by and watching. And as always, you're awesome and you are loved.
Until next time.